Well, here's a question. Is it okay to kill the very symbol of America? That symbol, of course, is the bald eagle, and if you hunt or live in a rural area, you know the answer is emphatically no. Kill a bald eagle, even by accident, when you're out, say, hunting, and you're very likely to go to jail. If you run a wind farm, however, very much favored by the Obama administration, it is now okay. And this is a big deal because it turns out that wind farms kill an awful lot of bald eagles and other birds of prey. They have no penalty. They face no penalty for doing so under the new ruling.
The new ruling now lets them exempt for 30 years, up to 30 years for killing our nation's symbol. In fact, the eagles, to Tucker's point, the reason they fly like this is sort of like why we are not supposed to drive while texting. So they fly and they scan for food below, down into the waterways and such, and they don't notice what's in front of them, the industrial turbines, and they smack right into them. They've done a number of different things with these different wind turbines on the tops of football stadiums. There's a great TED talk on these different wind turbines that actually make them both more efficient and safe for birds, but they still have this old technology that's being subsidized by you, the taxpayer, that's killing these bald eagles.
I had no idea this was such a problem. 83,000 hunting birds, such as hawks, falcons, and eagles, are killed every year by these wind farms. But what's so startling about this report, you know, it's terrible, you know, it's a symbol of patriotism here in the United States, the bald eagle is. But if you put your green hat on for a second, the motives from the president at least were good, trying to help out the renewable energy industry, essentially. But you know what? The real issue, the real reason we're even talking about this morning is because the Associated Press did an expose, essentially, saying that the Obama administration had been turning a blind eye, that this had been happening all the time. All these wind farms had been killing these bald eagles, right, and they never charged or prosecuted anybody.
Well, that's the problem right there. This is an assault not just on the bald eagle. This is an assault on the rule of law, the idea that laws are passed, but they apply only to people who aren't in favor with the people in power. So the Obama administration, there's a law, they're supposed to enforce it equally, but people run wind farms because they give a lot of money to the Obama re-elect or because they like green energy. They don't have to abide by the law.
Right, the big oil companies
scary.
Getting ready to be foisted with all of these large carbon taxes, and they're preparing for that happening very, very soon. Let us know what you think about this bald eagle story. Go to our Facebook page. We'll read some of your emails, tweets, and Facebook messages coming up a little bit later in the show. But now it's time for this.